Welcome back! Today it's time for my ultimate desk setup tour. In this video let's talk about every detail of my productivity focused workspace. If you're looking for inspiration to level up your setup, whether for work, content creation or just getting things done efficiently, you are in the right place. For sure, if you're interested, all kind of products are also linked down below, but now let's get started. And let's start with the foundation of my workspace, the desk itself. And I've opted for the Ikea Karlby kitchen countertop paired with two Ikea Alex drawers. This combination is popular for a reason. It's sturdy, customizable and it just looks fantastic. The Karlby countertop provides an amazing wood finish that not only enhances aesthetics but also offers plenty of room to set up the perfect workspace. To further enhance usability, I've also added a DIY MIDI keyboard tray beneath the desk. And yes, it's a game changer for anyone who is into music production or someone who needs extra surface to store gear when not in use. In my opinion, this keeps the main desk space clean and clutter-free, which is for sure a key aspect of staying productive. But one of the best additions to my desk setup is the dual monitor stand. It's such a great add-on, creating a sleek minimalist look while freeing up and adding valuable workspace. The one that I use is from Woodcessories, and yes, it's absolutely great. It also offers additional space for some smaller accessories like SD cards or my card reader, but you can also use it for a variety of other items. But of course there are also a variety of other dual monitor stands out there, so just pick the one that you like the most. Next up, let's talk about lights, and lighting plays a massive role in productivity and creativity. And my desk setup includes two types of lighting that serves different purposes. For sure, I also have additional lights in my studio, but this video is just about my desk setup, so I will set my focus on these two. And the first one is my salt lamp. This is more than just a decor piece, it's perfect for creating a warm, calming ambience. The soft natural light emitted by the salt lamp helps to reduce harsh lighting in the room, which can strain your eyes during late night work sessions. On top, its warm glow also adds a touch of coziness to the workspace, making it feel inviting and relaxing. Whether I'm working late on a project, transforming ideas or even recording videos, the salt lamp plays a crucial role in creating the right mood. In my opinion, the soft lighting actually makes it possible to stay focused and also reduces stress, so it's especially helpful for evening hours when natural light is no longer available. So at the end of the day, it's a small but impactful addition to my overall setup. For task lighting, I always like to use the BenQ Screen Bar Plus. This lamp is an ergonomic masterpiece crafted specifically for desk setups. Its white beam creates a nice light for my main workspace without causing glare on my monitors. And yes, that's a really important feature for long hours of productivity. The even distribution of light ensures that every corner of my main workspace is well lit, making it ideal for both focused work and creative projects. On top, the adjustable brightness and color temperature makes this lamp also incredibly versatile. Whether I'm diving into detailed video editing sessions or sitting down for a late night brainstorming session, I can always fine-tune the lighting to match the mood and task. Additionally, the sleek and modern design of the BenQ Screen Bar Plus adds a touch of moody atmosphere to my setup. So it's not just about function, this lamp seamlessly blends into the aesthetics of the whole workspace, contributing to an environment that's both practical and visually appealing. And yes, I absolutely love the moody darker style in combination with warm tones like walnut, so it's a great addition for such a desk setup. On top, its durable build quality and intuitive controls ensure that it's such a nice tool that I can count on daily, enhancing both usability and the overall experience of my workspace. But yeah, next let's talk about the heart of my desk setup, and this one is the Mac Studio with the M1 Max chip. And yes, this powerhouse machine still handles everything. From 4K video editing to multitasking with countless apps, it's just great. The M1 Max chip ensures lightning fast performance even with resource intensive tasks. On top, its compact form factor is a major advantage, occupying minimal desk space while delivering performance. At the end of the day, this allows me to keep my workspace clean and organized, which is critical for maintaining focus and productivity. But another really important part is also connectivity. With multiple ports like USB-C, HDMI and an SD card slot, I can easily hook up a variety of peripherals and external storage. This seamless integration simplifies my workflow, enabling me to switch between tasks without missing a beat. However, a quick spoiler, I will definitely add a hub to my desk setup as well to make it way easier for me to connect additional accessories and gadgets, but we will talk about that in another video. What truly sets the Mac Studio apart is its whisper quiet operation. Even under heavy workloads, it remains silent, letting me focus on my work without the distraction of fan noise. And combined with the macOS intuitive interface and optimized apps, the Mac Studio is a perfect centerpiece for productivity-driven desk setup. But what's about additional gadgets for the Mac Studio? And I've also paired my Mac Studio with the Apple Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse. In my opinion, these peripherals offer a seamless, reliable experience that's perfect for productivity. The Magic's keyboard low-profile keys are satisfying to type on, combining precision with comfort. On top, the compact design means it's easy to keep my desk space organized, and I've also bought the GroveMate keyboard tray, which is such a nice add-on for the Magic Keyboard. Meanwhile, the Magic Mouse stands out with its multi-touch surface, making navigation across macOS just great. And I know, a lot of people don't really like the Magic Mouse, but for me, it's absolutely great. Whether I'm switching between apps, scrolling through timelines in Final Cut Pro, or editing photos in Lightroom. On top, its minimalist design design is not only functional but also complements the aesthetics of my setup. For sure the charging situation isn't great, but to be honest here, I never had any issues to recharge the Magic Mouse. Next up, let's talk about monitors, and the front and center of my setup is the Apple Studio display. Its 5K resolution and great colors make it ideal for everything from content creation to daily productivity. The vibrant display ensures that every detail in photos and videos pops, and the built-in speakers deliver rich immersive sound. On top, the display's elegant design also adds a touch of style to my workspace, blending aesthetics with functionality. And for me it's more than just a screen, it's actually a centerpiece that elevates my productivity and creativity. On the side I have an ultra-wide curved monitor. This extra screen real estate is a game changer for multitasking and gaming. I personally use the Samsung G5 for a variety of things like additional folders when video editing, keeping reference materials open while writing, or monitoring multiple applications at once. Its immersive design makes it way easier to stay focused and organized during long work sessions. In my opinion, the ultra-wide format is especially beneficial for side-by-side comparison or complex workflows involving multiple apps. On top, its resolution ensures crisp text and visuals, which are crucial for all kind of tasks. However, resolution wasn't my top goal here. So whether it's for work or entertainment, this monitor adds both functionality and an immersive touch to my setup. There are for sure some newer and better options out there, but for me this combo is just fantastic. But what's about audio? Audio is a significant part of my workflow, whether I'm editing videos, recording voiceovers, or simply enjoying music. And everything audio related runs through the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. This interface ensures crystal clear sound input and output, making it the main device of my audio workflow. Whether I'm recording voiceovers or editing audio tracks, the Scarlett 2i2 delivers great performance every time. One of its standout features is its ultra-low latency, which ensures that there is no noticeable delay during monitoring or recording. The preamps are also top-notch in their price category, providing clean and transparent sound, which is really important when working with microphones like my Rode NT2A. On top, the plug-and-play feature of the Scarlett 2i2 also makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for those new to audio interfaces. Additionally, its compact and robust design fits seamlessly into my desk setup while offering just the right amount of inputs and outputs for my needs. And yes, it integrates perfectly with both my microphones and headphones, allowing me to switch between tasks simple and fast. At the end of the day, this interface truly bridges the gap between creativity and technical precision, making it a must-have gadget for my workspace. For monitoring audio, I rely on a pair of Yamaha HS8 Studio monitors. These speakers deliver incredible accurate sound, making them perfect for mixing audio, ensuring every detail is just right. In my opinion, their minimalist design complements the desk setup while packing a serious punch of audio quality into the setup. The HS8 provide a balanced frequency response that ensures no details lost, whether you're fine-tuning vocals or working on complex soundscapes. What makes these monitors especially outstanding is their room control and high trim response controls, which allow customization based on the acoustics of your space. But at the end of the day, the HS8 deliver clarity and precision that make every listening experience enjoyable and productive. Next, let's talk about headphones, and here I always use the Biodynamic DT770 Pro and the DT1770 Pro. And the DT770 Pro is my go-to for gaming, offering a great sound quality without overpowering other frequencies. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable enough for extended wear, and yes, these were my main headphones for a long period of time. But a couple of months ago I've also added the DT717 Pro to my setup, and these provide a great sound clarity and detail, making it ideal for professional audio work. It also features detachable cables and replaceable ear pads, adding to its versatility and durability. So yeah, both models are absolutely great and I can highly recommend them. For recording voiceovers, I use the Rode NT2A microphone mounted on an Elgato microphone arm, and this mic delivers studio quality sound. And in combination, the Elgato microphone arm adds to the setup by providing flexibility. It allows me to position the mic where I need it, and its sleek, durable design keeps the workspace clutter-free while ensuring the microphone remains secure and accessible. So together, the Rode NT2A and the Elgato mic arm create a perfect audio recording solution that's reliable and easy to use. But now let's talk about the additional tech that takes my setup to the next level. And first, let's talk about my iPad Air M2. And this one is an essential part of my workflow as well. Whether I'm sketching ideas, reading scripts, or creating some 3D stuff, its versatility makes it a great addition. Especially the M2 chip ensures smooth performance no matter what I'm doing. And the Apple Pencil Pro also adds another layer of functionality, transforming the iPad into a portable digital notebook. In addition, the display offers incredible clarity, making it perfect for watching videos or checking out some documents. And finally, the lightweight and portable design mean I can take my workflow anywhere. Whether I'm working at my desk or relaxing on the couch, the iPad Air M2 to integrates effortlessly into my productivity routine. But what's about charging? And keeping my devices charged and organized is a breeze with the multi-charging station. This sleek, compact, all-in-one solution takes care of my iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch effortlessly. So no more tangled cables or searching for chargers, everything has its designated spot that keeps my desk tidy and stress-free. The multi-charging station features a magnetic alignment system for the Apple Watch, ensuring a secure and hassle-free connection every time. The integrated wireless charging pad for the iPhone is absolutely great, so I can quickly charge it all the time. On top, the additional space for the AirPods keeps them charged and ready to go whenever I need them. But what sets this charging station apart is its premium build quality and design. Its minimal footprint and modern aesthetic blend perfectly with the rest of my setup, contributing to a clean and organized vibe of my workspace. At the end of the day, this one convenient charging hub saves me both space and time, allowing me to focus on being productive without interruptions. It's actually an essential piece that simplifies my daily workflow and ensures my devices are always ready when I need them. And finally, the Elgato Stream Deck is the newest addition to my setup, and I still need to adjust it for my workflow. And yes, this is still the factory setup because I just unboxed it a couple of hours ago. But I definitely want to program it with shortcuts for launching apps, websites and settings to make my workflow way easier. But we will talk about that in another video. At the end of the day, each element, from the desk itself to the audio gear and additional tech, plays a role in creating a space that's not only functional but also inspiring. Whether I'm editing videos, recording content or just powering through a workday, this setup keeps me organized, efficient and ready to get things done. But yeah, I hope you found this too helpful and maybe even picked up some ideas for your own workspace. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.